Okay.
Is it going?
Yeah. Well, I have a guest this morning over here. Would you introduce yourself?
Hi, what's up? It's Sick Vic right here on the Quant007, the best YouTube channel for, well, all the morning trades.
All right.
Check this out. We've got a lot of good trades going on this morning, and the futures look like, well, they're going up. Last night they were going down, and so it's been a crazy night, but you know what? We've got this under control. And let's take a look, Joe.
All right. Well, here we go. We hit this blue support zone, and now we are bouncing. On NQ, and it's on 2,000 days. So we'll see. Futures are closed right now. We have couple more minutes before trade opening.
We've got about a minute and 41 seconds left.
All right, baby.
Till the opening bell, they're gonna shut down that floor, man. There's too much coronavirus going on in that floor. You know what I mean? It's all over the place.
Possible, but before that, let's read the risk disclosure disclaimer.
I'm not reading that.
Yeah, well. Be careful with your trading. Trade with money you can afford to trade with. We are not here in advisors, neither educational institution. This is just a game for us.
That's right. We're just showing you how we do it.
Yeah.
You do your own thing. We assume no responsibility for anything that you do.
Exactly.
And be careful out there. This is very risky stuff.
All right, we're almost there. Almost there. Let's
All
go
right,
take
we're
a
closing
look.
in. 30 seconds left.
Here's a GC gold just going sideways. Nothing to report there.
It's all about Tesla right now.
CL just dropped big time.
CL,
Yeah,
Clorox.
oil
Oh,
from 333.90 to look at here 32.40.
all right, 5 seconds.
All right, we're almost there.
You got the bell. You want to hear it? Here it is.
All right,
You're welcome.
here we go.
Market's moving. We got crazy volume. Tesla's trading at 582 right now.
How much?
582.
582 or 682?
582.
Oh, so Tesla's coming to support zone of 570.
Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah, pretty close.
Yeah,
Actually, yeah.
I believe Tesla has a zone at 570. Let's take a look over here. Just loading. All right, right here, 571, 570. So, but they opened. That was yesterday. So if they're now at what's the price right now?
637 cents.
637 cents. All right, let's give them a few more minutes. See where they're gonna go.
Let them just cool off here.
Yeah.
I mean, they're reaching the top of my regression line as well, so that means I don't think they're gonna bust 608.73. If they break 608.73, it's over, man. All right, we got a green tick.
Get a little bit smaller.
All right.
That's great. And we're under 200?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. All right, Nasdaq is up a big time.
Stock surge. Dow jumps 1,000 points.
1,000.
Mm-hmm.
We can do on NQ. We can go and make some sale
Order
over
filled.
here.
You
Just
sell?
because, yeah, because it's so much out of the bands. See,
Order submitted.
it's a big time out of the bands. I think they're gonna be pulling back. Okay, GC, nothing is happening. Let's take a look on ES.
Alright, I set a sale. Executed.
On what?
On Tesla.
Why?
Short. I just shorted Tesla.
Why?
Why? Look. And then watch this. Wait for
All right.
We're live again.
Yeah. It's see the Nasdaq now. Now we're not gonna trade. We made our trade $700, 700 points. So it's the same with ES. It's coming back. All right, but there's opportunity in oil. It's oversold. So we're just going by.
Order
It's
filled.
oversold big time. You see, it's out of the
bands.
bands, and look at how much.
Oh,
All right, so
I agree with that.
look at it. Every time gets out of the bands big time, it pulls back.
They should get
Same
in
over
it.
here. It's same over here. Same over here and same here. There was a nice big trend, but look at the pullback. So those are the places to make trades. Right here, there. Any run out of the bands was a great buy. Buy or sell, depends where you are. Okay. So we'll put our profit target, since we are
Order
buy,
submitted.
sale, and let's wait, see what's gonna happen. Okay, so we are in the oil. We'll leave Nasdaq and ES now. Peace. Let's take a look on Tesla.
Oh yeah, I'm just configuring right here.
Okay.
So down 578. So good thing we got out.
Yeah, that's where I don't want. So
Let's see.
we are looking for Tesla 570. We believe that would be support zone.
You think that's the final support, or is that just a support?
Don't know. Depends on the markets and the news. Okay, let's go by some Nasdaq.
Order filled.
Possible it's gonna be hitting. This is 200, but it's a big time out of the bands. CL is not going anywhere; it's just staying there.
Is it filled?
Yeah, it's filled, yeah.
Wow.
But it's not going anywhere.
Oh, there it is. You caught
Oh,
it.
there's, yep. There's again, nice trade.
You just made $300.
Yeah. Well, let this, okay, let's go to here, to half of this bar.
Order submitted.
Okay.
How do you do that? Okay, I see how. Do you do with the stop limit, or do you just do stop?
Uh, no, I just buy profit, whatever that says,
Oh, limit.
sale limit, yeah. Because I bought, I'm looking for sale limit.
Mhm.
Alright, ES hit 200, then bouncing, you see an ES. But there is almost,
Order
there's
filled.
another 700.
Wow.
And this is, we are only like, what, 13 minutes in the trading. Well, I had 400 and some points from last night. I was doing some stuff, but still, we are 14, almost 1400 points up in 13 minutes of trading. All right, let's take a look at the VIX laptop and Tesla.
All right. So, well, I want to set mine up like the way you got yours too. So I'm gonna set it up like that.
Okay. What's Tesla? What's the number of the Tesla?
Tesla right now is trading at 577.
577?
Oh, you know what? No, 568.
568. Okay.
568. This is the red is just the EMA
Okay.
right now.
No, the price.
569. People are buying. I wonder.
Still coming down. Tesla's still coming down.
Either way,
Tesla's still coming down.
So if red drops below white, that's a sell.
Alright, let's go back over here on charts. Alright, we are in profit in oil 8 ticks because it's not moving that much. We'll just get out with our profit
Order filled.
right there. All we care about profit. So we have what? 2 trades, 3 trades, and we all 3 are positive. Look at the NQ and ES, they're making higher lows. But they're also pulling back. This is you don't know what to make of it. So we'll just be a little bit patient. Let's see what's going to develop. Let's take a look on the gold. All right, gold is falling. Gold is falling. Let's go back to CL. I mean ES.
Just setting this up. Now I can move it if I want to.
Alright, are you, Vic is in Tesla. Are you still in?
Still,
Okay.
so I set my sell price at 5.7. It's at 5.77.
Okay. Alright, let it just, let's see what's gonna happen with, because markets are now sideways, as you can see. They're sideways, so they don't know where to go. There was a big run up and then pull back. Let's try just to buy.
Order filled.
Back up few ticks.
Order submitted.
If they go against us, it's fine.
It's
We'll
not
just-
coronavirus, I promise.
No. We'll we know what to do. We'll make a profit.
Yeah, I'm only at $11 difference right now. 10. These markets are crazy.
Yeah, but this is signal for down. You can see this right now. This is down signal
Oh yeah.
on the Nasdaq. So is an ES, which we're gonna be
Order filled.
by another one.
Order submitted.
I should place an order for 5.66 right now. I can still buy 2 more.
Yeah, go ahead.
5.65. It's cheap. Right there. 5.63. I'll buy 1 more.
All right, there's a big pullback again to 200. So it's an ES2.
People are setting their buys right here. You can even see their orders.
All right, so Tesla, that people are buying around 565, 570,
5.63.
563.
Yeah.
All right,
So we have support there.
right.
Let's see. I'll fill just 1 above them.
All right, ES hit 200. It was bounced before. We'll go by
Order
ES.
filled. Order
Right there.
submitted.
Nasdaq is going down even more. We're just going by
Order
a
filled.
couple more.
Order
We're
filled.
gonna execute. There it is.
Okay, and we'll just leave it for now. No
Order
worries,
submitted.
and we'll just leave it for now. Let's see what's gonna happen. forgotten to put the microphone. Okay, there's a big sell-off again. Well, we'll just go buy more of
Order
because we
filled.
are big time of the
Order filled.
veins.
Should I flatten? Should I buy some down here then?
Okay, there's a pullback again. So
Order submitted.
we'll come out with our profits. There's in Nasdaq we are profit.
Order submitted.
Yeah, it's pushing back up.
Yeah. So there was a big run up. So we'll just look to come out of our trades. Looks like 200 is trying to be a support, it's becoming resistance.
Is that 554? Yeah, I updated my chart down to the 2 minute.
Okay.
And then this is 200, 20, and then 8. It's like a rebound.
Okay, well, almost there's a Nasdaq almost in the profit. All right.
It's coming up quick.
Yeah, it's coming up good. So is ES. So it's Tesla going up big time.
It is 564 already.
Yeah. Trying to make some
Order
profit on
filled.
Tesla. There's Nasdaq made profit for us. There's 2,500 points. You're still with ES down. Will help ES
Order filled.
go down
Order
the
filled.
price. and we're gonna have a 4
Order
contracts.
submitted.
Just try to come out with profit because Nasdaq is hitting
Order filled.
right there. Okay. Looks like there was some loss in ES for some whatever reason. Paying a few 20-30 bucks. Because it was 2,500, now it's 2,490. Yeah, so
The
but that's
momentum
fine.
just died off too.
Yeah. So we'll see. Let them go again. It looks like they're making support over here.
Yeah, they are.
So let's see what's gonna be.
Oh yeah, that's a support zone, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, it should be support, but an ES is making resistance now 200. So, and oil stock that doesn't go anywhere now. What's happening with gold? Gold is selling off big time, which means markets should be going up. Look at gold.
And it is. Now it's going back
Yeah.
up.
It's a big time sell-off in gold.
Wow, look at that analysis right there.
Okay, let's go back to CL. And we'll go on, okay, CL is pulling back. Let's go to gold over here. Well, it's still not sold enough on this chart. See, we need to go under like this one, under the band, so we can go and buy, pull back. Okay, markets are coming, Nasdaq is coming back.
It is. We're at 563.
All right.
All right, $20 difference.
Just leave it there. Leave it there. We'll make some, Vic is trading the day trades in and out. So we are cheering over here to make profit and
These,
make a profit on Tesla.
these are my first couple of trades here, so
Alright.
it's not.
You're
I'm
okay.
an amateur, but you know what? I'm learning from the best here from Joe, so this is pretty exciting. We're doing some good stuff here.
We're just going for a little target, $100, and then
Nothing huge.
yeah.
I'm not making thousands here like Joe is.
No, we're just doing just little profits, and you get much better then.
What did you open at today? You opened at what? 1,400?
No, 400. It
You
was
opened- You opened at 400?
a profit.
Yeah.
Oh, it was just a 400 and some bucks. Yeah.
And then you turned
So-
that into $2,400?
Yeah. So it was we're 2,000.
That's ridiculous. Can you do my whole 401k?
All right. Looks the markets. Nasdaq made it's making support at the 200 SMA. But okay, this is GS. Let's take a look on ES.
All right. The news on the Dow on CNBC says there's a big rebound.
Yeah.
Dow's up 500, about 500 points almost.
All right. All right. That's all. Let's hope there was a big up, and then look at the sell-off.
Mm-hmm.
So let's hope ES is coming back big time. All right. So is Nasdaq.
That's a pullback.
Yeah. Pullback. It's they're trying to go up.
Gold's
This-
coming up, market's coming down.
Yeah. Let's take a look on the gold over here. Yep. Gold is down big time too. Let's on a daily. Yeah, that's just a pullback to this in this support zone over here. So let's just be a little bit patient and see what's gonna be.
Now I got 2 greens. Right on. Hey guys, welcome to the podcast. Right now we're monitoring gold. We've got ES and we've got NASDAQ, all sorts of stuff going on here. This is crazy. The markets are pulling back, rebounding. Everything's going on, and, well, it's nuts. Now, Joe's thinking, man, why did I invite this guy Vic over here? He's just destroying the podcast now. But you know what? I'm giving you guys the news, and I'm telling you like it is.
What CNBC is saying over there? Look at that.
CNBC, Dow rebounds from worst day in 3. Dow Jones, it was up 490 points earlier. Now it's up 663.
All right.
So that's a big rebound for the Dow Jones. My good old friend Dow. It's crazy. Buffett moved shareholder meeting to the internet. Maybe we can even dig in. You know, look, Tesla, I'm almost out of it right now.
Almost, yeah. That's great. Look at there.
Yeah.
Looks like Tesla's gonna be going up.
I should have bought right here. We're closing in, guys, for the kill. And Joe just tripled his portfolio. Crazy things out here in the podcast.
Let's see where we're gonna. Oh, look at the. While we are talking, CL is pulling back big time. Look at that. Let me change these just colors. It would be. Let me see over here. Oh, I know, this is one of these two. It's not that one. It's this band down here. You can color either line of this band can color.
Mm-hmm.
All right, CL is pulling big time.
Oh, this Tesla is staying down, as you can see. It's almost.
Oh, no, markets are pulling. It's gonna go. Tesla's gonna go up.
Oh yeah.
Markets are pulling.
It's gonna respond.
Yeah,
It is responding.
yeah. Markets are trying to go.
Your ticks are a little faster than mine. I'm using Thinkorswim and you're on Ninja. What's going on here? Yours.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, this is. It looks like it's maybe fixed. You know what I mean? It's fixed. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Futures move much quicker.
Oh, do they?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Especially these days. Yeah. Futures are just they fly comparing to stocks. All right. There's a good signal for Nasdaq if we can continue up.
Dow Jones is
Thank
up 682. Golf is postponed.
And they're postponing all around the world all the games.
Looks like we got some resistance.
All right. We're not gonna make any trade now. Just be a little bit patient.
Too flat, huh?
Yeah, just not start showing long, then it's short, and this may develop in long again. So let them go. All right, what's happening with Nasdaq? Nasdaq is just sideways. This is just sideways now, so it's ES.
Really unpredictable.
They're just turning either way, you know, they go up, down. But at least they're expecting this veins. They get out, they pull in, get out, pull in. 200, this looks like for now it's support, at least for Nasdaq.
Don't forget, if you're looking for these exclusive bands, you can find them in the description below. We've got them available for you. These are the best bands you'll ever find.
They can be used so many different ways. Though that's appreciated for that. So they see they're pulling back into this on a daily chart between these two white lines.
Those are regression lines, aren't they?
Well, yeah, support zones, whatever you want to call them. And they respected those. There was a here support, bounce, went down, and then playing again this one, and this one was last night's support, blue one.
You know, I bet if I had a computer that can just high frequency trade, it would be so easy.
Yeah. Okay,
Man.
if you look at GS, GS is not still staying there. I think everything's being confused. Let me see over here, GS. Yeah, it still didn't. It was here oversold for a moment and then came back.
Pull up drudgereport.com, try to get the news right here. Drudge reports 150 million Americans could get infected by this coronavirus.
Wow, that's like almost 50%.
Yeah. Well, you know, because the next step of all this is, I mean, if the line doesn't kind of flatten out of the number of infected,
Yeah.
we pass the amount that the system, the healthcare system, could contain, then it's out of, then you can't manage it anymore. And so if you pass that point, then it's over. Like, we're gonna look at another drop on the Dow Jones potentially.
Yeah. Well, it looks like we're just going by the news of coronavirus. Everything is going by that.
Yes, it looks like it.
Yeah.
Dow rebounds on CNBC, but looks like it's totally flat right now. You know, Tesla's just going between 568 and 561.
Yeah. Look at the Nasdaq and the ES is big time up.
Yeah.
It's going up long.
And look at that. We got a surge right now going on Tesla.
Tesla too.
Tesla just up 3 points in the last few seconds here. It's climbing pretty quick, and we've got 8 EMA and 20 SMA. The lines have just crossed, as you can see on the chart. Look at the NASDAQ. We're looking at lots of power, lots of momentum.
Wow, look at momentum on Nasdaq and ES.
I just broke even on Tesla.
Alright. But look at momentum on Nasdaq and ES. Big time, it's going up now. These are huge surges over here. All the way up and then look at all the way down.
That's right. I'm up $1.
77 was that 23 and 74.55.
Looks like-
250 points or 70 points.
Yeah, it looks like the market's headed for 200.
Yeah. That would be price on Tesla. What?
Price on Tesla right now 570.55.
What's the 200?
200 is 577.62.
All right, that's looks like it's going there.
Yeah. A lot of power.
Yeah.
A lot of power on the
A lot of
NASDAQ
power,
as
yeah.
well.
It's live. All right, there's a big surge.
Back up on
Not-
Tesla,
Tesla is, what's the price Tesla now?
570.
570.
So I'm already up in the profit.
All
on
right.
Tesla, but we're gonna hold on because this is gonna be a wild ride and this is gonna fly
Yeah.
like crazy right now.
This is big move on Nasdaq and ES. Look at that. Even oil is going over out of our bands, so it's going to be pretty soon good time to sell. If it hits the bottom of the green zone over here, CL, we're just going to make a sale.
Yeah, I'm still up $12 on my Tesla.
Well, at least you're in positive.
I'm in positive right now. And 575 is my sell point. Dow is up 1,000 points.
Hopefully it stays there. It goes up even more.
A little bit of resistance up there on the chart. Crazy.
Yeah.
Look at that big drop on NQ now.
Well, yeah, there was a big run up, so you expect some pullback. So it's always oil is pulling back. Let's try to make few
Order
ticks.
filled.
Let's try to make few ticks.
Order submitted.
These are huge moves on the ES and Nasdaq.
Mm.
They're just a huge moves.
So it looks like we're gonna go into 2 greens and a red, and red over an 8 over 20, which indicates potentially a pretty big run after this.
Yeah, it should be. Should be running up. All right, this could be good signal too long.
There's the pullback. Here's the run.
Yeah. All right, we are in profit on CL. We got our money. Yeah, we got another good trade. Those bands that are when price gets above or below, that's overbought, oversold.
It's a powerful band.
So
Remember, you can find the band in the description. Make sure you contribute and keep this channel running, because these are some powerful tools right here. We haven't seen anything like it before. These are custom bands. You can't just get these from anywhere. So look in the description. These are exclusive.
you're a good salesman.
That's that's what I do for a living.
Yeah. All right, let's see here. Nasdaq and ES. Only thing, Nasdaq is in overbought area, but still may develop a good, stronger trend and just go up.
Mm-hmm.
ES just it's pulling back into the zone. So we'll see. Okay, there are some big moves up, and there's again a pullback. Totally sideways. And oil is right there, staying. Let's take a look over here on GC.
Now these bands are only available on NinjaTrader.
Yeah, NinjaTrader 8.
NinjaTrader 8. So you guys out there have NinjaTrader 8, make sure you go buy these bands. You know, it's what I like to say is it's always good to have a tool, and it's good to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. So if you're out there and you're watching this stream, make sure you go get these bands. They're not expensive, and you can get it on the Shopify account for Joe.
Okay, very much appreciated. Look at oil is hold almost the size of the bands moved.
We got news. Fed starting to buy treasuries Friday.
All right, that should be.
Yeah, but the Fed sucks, you know, with because the news happens, the market moves a little bit, and then it goes back down.
Yeah.
Same thing yesterday. He said what the Fed said they were going to pump $1 trillion of stimulus in. Market went up and then regressed.
Maybe today they're gonna go up once they start buying.
We got 2 watching now on the stream.
Oil is again oversold area. Markets are coming down.
They are. There's a major pullback going on right now.
Let's go buy some oil. Look at that jump.
Order filled.
And we'll just go again for a few
Order submitted.
ticks.
Now you are using the bands right now to gauge where you're buying and where you're selling.
Yep.
So if you guys are looking for these prices, you guys are looking for these numbers, you're not going to just find them anywhere. You're going to find them on the band. So make sure you get NinjaTrader 8, and if you have NinjaTrader 8, make sure you get these bands out there. It's links in the description. Now,
NinjaTrader 8 is free.
It is.
So yeah, you should do at least for daily.
So anybody, there's no excuse really not to have these bands. If you have $10 in your pocket, I mean, you know, for what, 2 cups of coffee, it could buy you one of the most powerful tools in the stock market today. Anyway, we're looking at the markets right now. Looks like
A little sell off.
I'm still, you know, a little bit positive on Tesla, but right now it's kind of just holding neutral. Markets are just going sideways, and nothing's really going on. U.S. The Chinese government says that well, the U.S. military brought the virus to China. That makes no sense to me. I don't know. I think China made it in the lab, to be honest with you. It's crazy. I think it originated out of a lab. There's some Chinese students at the university, at the laboratory, and they wrote about how they wrote a report about how it originated in their own lab, and then China took the report down. I saw it on Fox News last night.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Tucker Carlson tonight was talking about it, but of course those people are now in probably some sort of re-education facility, some sort of labor camp or whatever it is. They did the same, guys. They did the same thing to the doctor, and they're going to do the same thing to you, unless, well.
Look at this. Look at
Order
it. We got
filled.
another one. CL. We got a few ticks. So we got the profit.
Yeah, you made a few takes of profit
Yeah.
there.
Yeah, or just hey, you pick up a few here, a few there, and just fine.
Let me check the Apple charts.
Look at half an hour.
2 minutes.
Yeah. And look at this. Look at it move. This never got in. contracts are in future, so you just
Oh, look at that.
500 margin.
Is that sell? Look.
Yeah, I know.
That's a
Order.
good.
Oh, there's a red. Look at this. We are just for 3 ticks. We are short. Oh, we got to make one more trade. For 3 ticks, we are short. We want to go to 3,000. Let's go try ES. ES is moving a little bit.
Order
Very cool.
filled. Order
See if we
submitted.
can get here or not. Only thing ES is in abeyance. It's a better NQ. And there's
Order filled.
right there. We are over 3,000 points.
So you turned $400 into $3,000 today.
3,000 went there, yep. So
That's
there we
crazy.
are. Markets are pulling again. We are just pretty much going into this zone over here. That's where support is. And our 15 minutes of trading results are here. So that'll be that for today.
Thanks for coming into the podcast. Remember, if you want these bands, I mean, this guy just turned $400 into $3,000 in one day. If you got $10 in your pocket, go to the description, check out these bands. There's nothing like it, and get on Ninja Trader 8. Thanks for listening.
Thank you, Vic, for visiting us and being my first guest.
It was great. Thanks for having me over.
We'll see you around again. All right. Bye for now.